Hi, and welcome to a Levland Media mini-clip. This video is part 3 of 9 of our Introduction to Assistive Technology series.
We'd love you to subscribe so we can let you know when new content is uploaded. Feel free to give us a thumbs up or down, and leave us a comment to suggest ideas and topics for future videos.
In this video we will take a look at some of our automated blinds and curtain tracks, then go on to highlight some considerations before specifying them. So first let's take a look at some automated blinds. In this picture we have a pair of automated blinds face fitted onto the inner frame of our automated door and the fixed panel window to its left. Note that here we have not yet fitted side channels on either blind, so there is a gap where light can leak through. When the blinds are down, they will blow about in the wind. This will be detected by the safety sensors on the automated door, which would prevent automatic closing. Now the side channels have been fitted and this solves the problem for light leakage, creating a blackout solution, and keeps the fabric in place throughout its travel, allowing the auto door to do its thing.
Automated blinds come in many varieties. We offer open roller, where no top cassette or side channels are needed, as well as vertical, Venetian and Roman.
Next, let's take a look at one of our automated curtain tracks.
This is a 6-meter straight curtain track, fixed to the ceiling. The curtains gather equally to each side. In this case they provide nearly total blackout for this cinema lounge. You'll see there is also a 4-meter electric roller blind offering partial shading.
The motor for the curtain track can be at either end. In this case it's on the left as you look at it and is hidden from view because the curtain wraps around it at the end. It requires a 230-volt mains supply. Here's a picture of the motor behind the curtain.
The dimension of the stacked curtain needs to be taken into account when calculating the length of the track. It may need to clear a doorway, for example.
You can find out more at our website, levland.com, but consider the following points as a minimum. Before installing automated blinds or curtains for your project, let's check some details. What size and type of blind is required? How will it be fixed? Does it need to be a special color? What color and type of fabric is required? Will a blackout solution be needed?
Will the curtain track be straight or curved? How long will it be? Have you allowed for stacking, and will it be fixed to the ceiling or face fixed? How heavy are the curtains? Which side will the motor be on, and are you parting the curtains equally or only to one side?
How will the curtains and blinds be controlled, and what wiring will be required to make this happen?
Levland. We integrate. We automate. We make your environment work for you. You can read or write a review of us on Free Index, an independent business website. Subscribing really helps our channel to grow, so we can bring you more content in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other videos in this series.